Yes, hello guys. In this video, I just want to bring you some little fact when how you can start bee farming. So one of the most important things that you need to know before you want to start bee farming. So the first thing you have to have in mind is that you need to have a location. When you are looking for a place to keep your bee, you have to choose a place where the place is very quiet, there is no noise, and we also have a source of flowers for your bees. So bees, they take their nectar from plant, from flowers. So if you want to get into beekeeping, know that you have to look for a place where you have flower here. So you look at this location, you can see the whole of this sea going down. You can see that everywhere around here there are trees, there are flowers everywhere. This one is a very good location for beekeeping. So you look up, we can see the environment very well. We can see that we have trees, we have flowers everywhere. So this area is a very good location for you to start your beekeeping. But there is one thing that you also need to consider. We also need a source of drinking water for our bee. But this place is a hill. It has a lot of flower. As you can see, there are flowers everywhere. You can see there are flowers everywhere. But a source of drinking water for the bee here will be very scarce, because we just have a little river just down here that is going down. But during the dry season, the river will dry off. So if you are looking for a location like this one, then you will make sure that at the end of every dry season, you will also put drinkers for your bee so that they can easily get access to drinking water. So the first thing that if you want to start your beekeeping with, we also need to start with a good location. A location where is free of people, a location where is very quiet, and give your bee a place where they will have enough flower for them to be able to give you the quantity of honey that you need. So this one, as we can see, this is a very good location for us to do our beekeeping. So if you are just coming, or you want to learn more about beekeeping from beginners, here is beekeeping in Africa. So here, this is our African background. We have a lot of natural resources and a lot of things. So this is a very good source for us to start our beekeeping. So location is number one. Then number two, you have to go in and make your boxes for your bee. So and make the houses the beehive. So yeah, this is our location. So the first thing that you need to consider is your location. So if you have a very good location, then you will be able to produce much honey or many honey. So thank you for watching. I just want you to subscribe, follow me if you can. Just follow me so that I'll give you all the details how you can start your bee farming from nothing then to something unbelievable. So just follow me. I will be giving you videos step by step on how to do bee farming. So thank you guys. I just want you to share, click the share button, share, and invite more people so that we can discuss. You have any question to ask, bring your question, I will be able to get to you. So this one is the first video. We are into location. You have to choose your location. So that is the first thing that you have to do. Location. As you can see, this is a very good location for beekeeping. Just look at the environment, look at the place, look at the flowers. You just see how the background, the area is very beautiful. You see flowers, you see everything. This side is a very good location for beekeeping. You can see flowers, you can see bees coming to the flowers. So this is a very good location to start your bee farming with. Wow.